Imagine coming home after a long, exhausting day. You sink into your living room. It's comfortable, sure, but something's missing. The space feels a bit flat, lacking that spark of excitement or personality that makes you want to linger. Maybe the lighting is just plain, casting a dull glow that doesn't do your decor any favors. It's a nice room, but it doesn't quite inspire you or your guests. Now picture this. At the touch of a button, everything changes. Suddenly, a vibrant glow outlines your TV, and a cool blue light washes down from the ceiling, instantly making the room feel larger, more inviting, and undeniably modern. The atmosphere shifts from ordinary to extraordinary, and your living room becomes a place you actually want to show off. The best part? You don't need to tear down walls or spend a fortune. This transformation is all thanks to RGB lighting, a simple, affordable DIY upgrade that can completely redefine the mood of your home. With just a few supplies and a little creativity, you can achieve a look that rivals high-end designer spaces. Today, I'll walk you through how to turn an ordinary living room into an extraordinary space that truly reflects your unique personality and style. Whether you love bold colors or subtle ambiance, RGB lighting lets you express yourself in ways traditional lighting simply can't. Want a relaxing oasis to unwind in after work? Or maybe you're hosting friends and want a high-energy party zone. With RGB lighting, you're in total control. You can change the vibe to match your mood or the occasion, all with a simple remote or app. And don't worry, no electrical expertise is required. If you can peel a sticker and press a button, you can handle this project. The installation is straightforward, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned DIYers alike. The right lighting is the unsung hero of interior design, and this guide is designed for everyone, whether you own your home or rent an apartment. You don't have to make permanent changes to enjoy a dramatic upgrade. Our methods are non-permanent and won't damage your walls, so you can experiment freely and remove the lights whenever you want, without leaving a trace. Get ready to see your living room in a whole new light, literally. The transformation is instant and the results are nothing short of dramatic. This is one of the most satisfying, high-impact DIY projects you can tackle in just a single afternoon. The payoff is huge and you'll love the results every time you walk into the room. We'll cover everything you need to know, from picking the right materials and colors, to clever tricks for hiding wires and keeping your setup looking clean and professional. I'll also share my favorite tips and techniques to make your installation look like it was done by a pro, not just a weekend warrior. So let's dive in and bring that wow factor into your home. Your living room is about to become your favorite place to be. So, what exactly is RGB lighting, and why has it become such a popular trend in modern homes? RGB stands for red, green, and blue, the three primary colors of light that, when combined in different ways, can produce an incredible spectrum of colors. Tiny LEDs are arranged on a flexible strip, and by mixing these three colors at varying intensities, they can create over 16 million unique shades and tones. Imagine being able to paint your room with light, changing the mood and atmosphere with just a touch. The LED strip itself is super flexible and comes with an adhesive backing, making it easy to install almost anywhere. Bend it around corners, line it along shelves, or fit it into tight spaces you never thought possible. This flexibility opens up endless creative possibilities. Backlight your TV for a cinematic effect, uplight your bookshelves to showcase your favorite reads, or trace your ceiling for a dramatic modern look. The real magic of RGB lighting is in its customization. With a remote or smartphone app, you can control not just the color, but also the brightness and even the lighting effects. Set a calming blue for relaxation after a long day. Switch to a dynamic, color-changing mode to energize your next party, or choose a bright, crisp white for reading or working, all with just a click or tap. RGB lighting isn't just for gamers or tech enthusiasts. It's a versatile design tool for any space. Use it to highlight art, create the illusion of more space in smaller rooms, or simply add a touch of style and personality to your home. Plus, LEDs are incredibly energy efficient, so you can enjoy stunning visual effects without worrying about your electricity bill skyrocketing. It's stylish, fun, and practical, a perfect DIY upgrade that can transform any room. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in. Before we dive into the installation, let's make sure you have everything you need for a smooth and successful project. Having the right tools and materials on hand will save you time and help you achieve a professional-looking result. The centerpiece of this project is an RGB LED light strip kit. Choose a kit that's long enough for your space and make sure it comes with a reliable power adapter and a remote control for easy color changes. Some kits even offer smartphone app control, which can add extra convenience and features. You'll also need a measuring tape to get precise lengths, sharp scissors for cutting the strip to size, and a pencil for marking where you want to place your lights. Taking accurate measurements now will help you avoid mistakes later. Don't forget rubbing alcohol and a clean microfiber cloth. Wiping down your surfaces ensures the adhesive on the LED strip sticks properly, preventing it from peeling off over time. For tricky corners or complex layouts, L-shaped or solderless connectors are optional but can make installation much easier. They help you navigate bends and turns without damaging the strip. To keep your setup looking neat, pick up adhesive cable clips or a cable raceway kit. These help you organize and hide wires, giving your space a clean, uncluttered appearance. Cable clips are great for holding cords securely along walls or furniture, while raceways completely conceal wires and can be painted to blend in with your decor for a seamless finish. These small accessories might seem minor, but they make a huge difference in the final look and feel of your lighting setup. Good cable management is key to a polished result. A tidy, well-organized installation is what separates an amateur job from a truly professional one. Take the extra time to do it right. With all your tools and materials ready, you're set to start planning your layout. Double-check that you have everything before moving on. Now that you're prepared, let's move on to the design phase and start transforming your space with vibrant, colorful lighting. Planning is key to a stunning lighting feature. Decide where the lights will have the most impact: behind the TV, along a media console, inside bookshelves, or around the ceiling. The goal is indirect light, a soft glow, not harsh brightness. Measure the areas you want to light, add up the lengths, and write them down. Mark your path with a pencil for straight, even lines. This is a pro secret for a clean install. For corners, use L-shaped connectors for sharp, damage-free turns. If you're wrapping around a TV or shelf, plan for each corner now. Double-check your lines and measurements before you start. Taking time here prevents mistakes later. A well-planned layout ensures your lights look intentional and professional. Visualize the final effect before you install. Ready? Let's move to installation. Your design is about to come to life. Time to install. Start by cleaning all surfaces with rubbing alcohol for a strong adhesive bond. Let surfaces dry completely. Begin at the point closest to your power source to minimize visible cords. Peel a few inches of adhesive backing at a time. Don't expose it all at once. Align the strip with your pencil guide and press firmly for solid contact. Work slowly, section by section, smoothing out air bubbles. At corners, use your chosen method, fold gently, or use connectors for a sharp turn. Cut the strip at the nearest marked line if you have extra. Take your time. Precision here pays off in the final look. Once the strip is in place, double-check for straightness and secure adhesion. The main installation is done. Next, let's tackle cable management for a flawless finish. You're almost there. Beautiful lights deserve a clean setup. Let's hide those wires. Plan the most discreet path for the power cord, behind furniture, along corners, or behind curtains. Use adhesive cable clips to secure the cord every foot or so along your chosen path. For a seamless look, use a cable raceway. Stick it to the wall, place the cord inside, and snap on the cover. Paint the raceway to match your wall for true invisibility. Coil any excess cable and secure it with a zip tie or Velcro strap. Tuck the bundle behind furniture for a tidy finish. Don't let messy cords ruin your hard work. These small details elevate your project from DIY to designer. Step back and admire your clean, professional setup. Cable management is the secret to a polished look. Ready for the big reveal? Let's power up your new lighting. The strips are up, wires hidden. Now for the moment of truth. Connect the LED strip to the controller box, matching the connectors. Plug the power adapter into the controller, then into the wall outlet. Double-check all connections for a snug fit. Loose plugs can cause flickering. Ready? Plug it in and watch your room light up instantly. The transformation is immediate. Soft halos, vibrant colors, and a whole new vibe. Step back and admire your work. Notice how the light adds depth and dimension, making the room feel dynamic. That first power on is always magical. You've created a custom lighting feature in your home. The hard part is over. Now it's time to play with your new setup. Experiment with colors and modes to find your favorite look. Enjoy your transformed space. Now the fun begins. Your remote is your command center. Use it to change colors, adjust brightness, and set dynamic modes. Try the basic color buttons, red, green, blue, and preset shades. Explore custom color options by mixing red, green, and blue for unique hues. Adjust brightness for a subtle glow or full energy. Test out dynamic modes like fade or flash for different moods. If your kit has an app, unlock even more features: color wheels, music sync, and scheduling. Set the lights to match your mood, activity, or time of day. Experiment to find your favorite settings. Your lighting system is fully customizable. Make it your own. There are no rules. Enjoy the flexibility and creativity at your fingertips. Your living room, your rules. As night falls, your RGB lighting transforms your living room into a spectacular retreat. The soft glow behind your TV turns the wall into a dynamic canvas. Movie nights become immersive and cinematic, with less eye strain. Ceiling lights make the room feel larger and more inviting. Bookshelves become displays for art, each object highlighted in custom color. This isn't just lighting, it's self-expression woven into your home. Instantly switch from calming blue to warm amber or a mesmerizing color fade. Your space adapts to any mood or activity. One simple project, endless possibilities. You've added value and enjoyment to your most used room. Don't be intimidated. Embrace the process and have fun. Share your transformation and inspire others. Stay tuned for more high-impact DIY projects to make your dream home a reality.